Hi friends, it's Wendy with H2O Bungalow. It's been a while since I've given you an update from the mill in my latest renovation project. My last video was probably sometime in February. I did video a new update for you right after demolition on April Fool's Day, and I guess the joke's on me because I totally deleted all of the film. So this was the next update from the very first one when we walked through when we first bought it. We've gotten a lot accomplished and I can't wait to share it with you today. As you can see, the new floors are in. We have a gorgeous cypress hardwood floor that we've installed through the rest of the house except for the front entry that I just showed you and the wet area in the bathroom. So that cypress floor runs throughout. It's really rustic and it's just gorgeous. One of the other big improvements I finished up is these shaker style doors for a closet. So I originally told you that I'd be taking out this wall and some of the room from the bedroom closet next door and making a storage closet. And that's exactly what I did. This door project was a collaboration with Scott from Saws on Skates, and we've got a video tutorial on that. Take a look at that. It's a great tutorial. You can make cabinet doors shaker style in any size you'd like. We didn't fill these pocket holes in because this is a storage closet, but this will hold all of my supplies for the cleaning crew. And again, this is going to be a vacation rental. It's part of the North House Lodge, my group of project homes up here in Ludlow, Vermont, and Okemo Ski Mountain. So I just love my new storage closet. The doors are tall. Our ceilings in here are 9 feet tall. So I've got lots of really amazing decorative finishes to work with that fit this rustic vintage style. This building was built in 1857 and these are all original beam ceilings. So, like I mentioned earlier, this is the closet that we took the extra room to make the cabinet in the front hallway with. And I've got barn doors that I've been working on all week long. They're rustic, they are torched wood, and we should be getting those up this week. So we'll have barn doors that slide back and forth for each closet in both of the 2 bedrooms here in this condo. When we were painting the place and getting the trim and the woodwork all painted and fresh, we realized that the original doors were not going to work. They were hollow core doors and basically they were falling apart on the bottom, and it was just a detail we didn't see, of course, when we walked through and we were initially looking and making the list of things to do. So that was a bit of a gotcha on the budget, but I'm happy with what we came up with. So I found these amazing craftsman style doors, and we've installed them in all 3 of the entryways. So that would be the 2 bedrooms and the bathroom. So let me show you the bathroom now. Big surprise that the only thing I've actually gotten done in the bathroom is the new flooring is down. It's the same tile, that wood look tile that we used for the front entry. I have a vanity designed and I will be building a vanity and putting it right there. It is gorgeous. It's going to have a concrete countertop and a vessel sink. It's been cut and it's sitting in the shed waiting for me to put it together. Whew, it's hot in here. Okay, so this is the first bedroom. It's a larger bedroom. I'm going to do something really cool in here. I'm still thinking a big headboard, although I haven't actually thought in great detail about the items I'm putting in and the designing that I'm going to do, because I just needed to get through the construction phase. So this is the closet. We'll have a barn door that matches a sliding barn door here, just like in the bedroom next door. And one thing you'll notice when I give you the view of the room is it's covered with cardboard on the floors. What we do to protect the floor while we're doing construction, and this is a great tip for you guys in your renovating, is when you put in a new floor and you're going to still do construction and other messy work, protect your floors. We open the cardboard boxes and we lay them flat on the floors, and we use that as a protective barrier for the new floors until we're done with a room and we're ready to clean everything out and start putting our furniture in and cleaning it up. So now we're moving into the exciting part. So up until now, you probably haven't seen a lot of change. Yes, we've painted the walls and we've put in new flooring and we've done some door work and a little bit of framing, but now we're moving into, yes, the messy part of the house, but lots and lots of progress has been made here and I'm really excited about it. And things have changed from my original plan, which, big surprise, that's what happened. So this is the kitchen. We have appliances in. My new cabinets are in. This is where the dishwasher will go. I went with great shaker style cabinets. I love them. They're super nice, and we ultimately decided to go for a wood countertop. So that is going to be a great tutorial and video. I can't wait to share it with you guys. The sink will be here. I haven't picked out a sink yet. We'll cut the sink out in place. One of the other big changes that I'm making in the idea and design of the kitchen is that, yes, we're going to do open shelving over here. We have cabinets, and I'll show you this all around, and the microwave is actually here. I'm going to do 3 shelves across, and I'm not going to do that brick wall, and there's a really good reason. When I show you that reason in just a minute, you'll understand. And but I'm excited. I really love this kitchen and it's coming out beautifully. I'm in the dining area. I'm looking into the kitchen. The only big change of plans here so far is that I made the countertop out of butcher block. I wasn't sure what I was going to do with that last time, and we pulled the old one off. It had that orangey old wood look, and we used more of the butcher block countertop like we did in the kitchen. We built a bit of a return to go around the top few inches of the stove that stuck up. It just wasn't a good budget choice to go with a stove that had a lower profile. I can use that money for something else instead of paying extra for that little feature on a stove. I do have the island vent hood. It's going to come down from the ceiling. It'll hang over the stove, but it won't block the view and the atmosphere from the dining area to the kitchen or the kitchen to the dining room. So I'm real happy with how this is coming together. Again, I'm not going to brick this wall. I think I'm just going to repair the things that need to be repaired, and we'll paint it and we'll move on. And now I'm going to show you why I've decided not to brick that wall. Okay, so now we're on to the big reason that I've decided not to brick my wall. And this is the fireplace in the living room. It is a wood burning fireplace, which I'm really excited about. And what we're going to do is we're going to face the fireplace in stone. So we were lucky enough to get some locally sourced granite pieces, and we're going to do the hearth and the face, and I found just a wonderful old vintage beam that we're going to be placing pretty high, and that's going to be the mantle. And because of the stone and the visual weight of this, I didn't think it would look good with the brick. This is a small condo, and I didn't want it to be too busy and have too much going on. So it was also a big budget consideration because this wasn't exactly really inexpensive, but it was such a wow factor that I just had to do it. So this is my new plan for the fireplace, and I can't wait for you to see it. It hopefully will be done before I'm back next time. The other big change in plans is going to be this right here. This nook is now going to have shelves across it, and it will have our TV, and the TV will pull out like the one in Florida on a 30-inch extending wall mount, and it'll swivel. And then I'll build some really nice, thick, chunky looking shelves in here. And somewhere in the hearth area, I'll build something or come up with something to hold the firewood. Friends, thank you so much for joining me here today. I really appreciate you. If you like my work and you want to see what I'm going to do next in this place, don't forget to follow me on YouTube. follow me, H2O Bungalow, and follow me on my blog, h2obungalow.com. You can search North House Lodge and see all of my Vermont projects and home decor ideas and renovating ideas on what we've done for the past 2 houses that I've renovated up here. And then if you'd like coastal ideas and coastal inspiration, take a look at my home, and that house tour is on the blog as well. And again, you can follow everything and find it on h2obungalow.com. We'll see you soon.